Well, we're here at the 2011 National Train Show with Chris Palomarez. Chris is with Microscale and is one of the product managers. Chris is going to share with us a couple of pretty cool releases from Microscale. One of the first things is, of course, there's a lot of buzz, Chris, about the 40th anniversary of Amtrak. And you guys have made some updates to some existing decals for both HO and N-scale modelers. Tell us a little bit about what we've got.
Yes, now you can do the 3P42s as well as the F40PH in HO and N-scale. They provide the correct striping, as well as some of the lettering for the GE locomotives and some of the data as well. The F40PH set has been substantially updated to be more accurate, and this is just revisions across our existing product line.
So for folks who really want to take advantage of what Amtrak's doing right now with the heritage locomotives, this is a great way to replicate those.
This isn't the definitive way to replicate it, especially if you want to use like a Cato locomotive, or if you're an N-scale where just nothing really exists as a RDR.
All right. So the other thing too that's really exciting that you guys are coming out with, one of the challenges as modelers is adhering slick plastics, you know, with things like Celcon, which is what Athearn uses, or Delrin type plastics. And you've got a really neat product here that no one else has. Can you tell us a little bit about what it is and how it works?
Yes, MicroBond and MicroPrep. It's a two-step process for engineering plastics, and for just regular styrene and other brass materials, all you need to do is just MicroBond out of the bottle. Works alone. MicroPrep is a unique product, say for Delrin flexible plastic handrails. You can now MicroPrep them. This is a MicroPrep treated surface, and just using regular testers out of the spray can, you can use any sort of enamel and just paint right to it, and now you have some sort of flexibility to the handrail. Better adhesion overall to Delrin surfaces. On the opposite side, you can already see how paint's starting to chip off. This is the untreated handrail, and it's starting to flake off pretty noticeably.
So for folks who maybe do like to do operating sessions and travel to someone else's home, or they do shows and like to show off their layout, it'll help their locomotive take a little bit more handling.
Yeah, absolutely.
And then what about folks who do a lot of custom detailing to their locomotives?
Well, for custom detailing, MicroBond is a unique adhesive. These are Canon brass deck treads glued to a SD40-2 model, and they were laminated down with MicroBond thin. And it has some sort of flexibility to it, so it can withstand being tugged at, differences in temperature, expansion and contraction of the materials. And you know, this horn is a good example of the flexibility of the glue. It is a CA, meaning it is a super glue. You can use any sort of hobby shop accelerator for the adhesive.
Chris, this is definitely one of those products that everybody's going to want to have on their workbench.
It's just another tool for your arsenal.
Well, we really appreciate your time here at the 2011 National Train Show. Thank you so much.
Thank you.